Alright friends, welcome back. In today's video or in today's tutorial, I will be showing you how you can create an animation content or videos. If you are a content creator on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook and YouTube, irrespective of the social media, or if you are also a promoter, you can use this animation tricks that I will be showing you today. And all these tricks I'll be showing you today, they are all free. You don't have to pay before you can create something like this. So I just created this one in order to just show you how it is. So I'll show you quickly on how you can do that. The best thing is to watch the full video for better understanding. So guys, here without wasting much time, let's get started with me. And guys, the first thing we're going to be doing here, we have to open our browser. This trick actually works better on computer or on desktop, so you have to make sure that you enable desktop mode. You have to make sure that you enable desktop mode. So, and the name of this website, let me just show you the name of this website. The name of this website is adobe new.adobeexpress.com. new.adobeexpress.com. So this is the website already showing on the screen. I'll also drop the link on the first comment section for easy access. So once you open it, of course you have to sign up. So I already have an account with them. So quickly I will just log in and then I will show you all the steps that you need in order to do all this animation content or to create animation content. So guys, it is so simple to create an account. You can use your Gmail. In fact, it is recommended that you directly use your Gmail. So you have to watch this video attentively because I'm using my phone. I'm supposed to use a computer to do this video or to create this video, so you have to watch this video closely in order not to make any mistake, because I will be showing you step by step and all these settings required. So guys, the first thing we're going to be doing here, we have the plus icon here at the top right hand side. So let me just zoom it. So guys, here we have this plus icon. So let's click on this plus icon. So guys, in this plus icon we have something here, quick actions. We have quick actions. So here you click on quick actions here. So in this quick action, you have to look for animate from audio. So here, let me zoom it. Sorry. Okay, let me quickly do that again so that we can get this very well in order to avoid mistakes. So here we have animate from audio. So here you have to click on animate from audio. This is a very simple website to use. So guys, here we have all the animate from audio. We have all the characters here. We have many characters from here, and guys, you can choose another category of character. And guys, in order to do that, here you have to click on this all. So you click on all like this. So here we have all, we have new, we have old people, we have young people, we have professional people, we have costume characters, we have creatures, we have animals, we have food, we have classroom, and we also have sport and the rest. So for the sake of this video today, I will be using a classroom. For the sake of this video, I will be using the classroom. So we select a classroom. So guys, as you can see here, we have a classroom. Under here we have a classroom. So you can also select any one that you wish. You can select anyone. Classroom is not okay for me, so let me just select a normal character. So I select this character, and guys, once you select a character, you will see the character will appear here. So there are some editing you also do on the character, which I will show you on this video. So please, before we continue, if you are watching this video from Facebook, please consider following us. If you are watching from YouTube, please consider subscribing, and then you turn on the notification bell so that anytime we bring this kind of update, you'll be the first person to be notified. So guys, here we have a background. We also have a background here. So under the background, let's click on background, because under the background there are many effects you can see under the background. So you can also upload your own background. So guys, as you can see, all these things are free. You don't have to pay, you don't have to add a credit card. So all these ones are free. So we have a background, and under the backgrounds we also have categories under the background. So here we have to click on all. So guys, as you can see, we click on all like this. We have the new, we have color and transparent, we have season, we have abstract, we have city, we have classroom, we have desert, we have indoors, we have outer space, play, seascape, and then the sport. So for the sake of this video, let me quickly click on classroom. So these are some of the background under the classroom. These are some of the background under the classroom. So for the sake of this video also, I will choose any background from here. So I will choose this first one from here, the fourth one. So I will choose this one. So guys, as you can see, here we have our background. Here we have a background. So don't forget, I said there are editing that you need to do on the character. So you just have to reduce the character size. So you can always use this down button in order to enlarge the character and also reduce the size of the character. As you can see, it's already showing. For instance, if I want to enlarge it here, all these points you can see here, these are the enlargers. So you can enlarge it, you can decrease it, you can enlarge it. In fact, you can also add the weight of the character. So me, I will just reduce it. So we are not done from here. We have the size, we also have the size. So let's click on the size and see what we have under the size. So under the size, we have a resize for, then we click on a resize for. So just like the way I said earlier on the introduction of this video, I said if you're a content creator on TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, and the rest, so we have all of them here. We have Facebook. If you want a size of Instagram, is here. The size of Facebook, Twitter, actually, this X actually means Twitter, then the YouTube, the Pinterest, LinkedIn, Snapchat, TikTok, and the rest. So for the sake of this video, I will actually use YouTube. For the sake of this video, I will use YouTube. So under the YouTube, we have the landscape and we have the short. So I will use landscape. So guys, as you can see, it has been changed automatically. So me, I will dress my character here. So I'll make it to be kind of tiny. So guys, as you can see, we have done that, and from here, that is all. So the next thing we're going to be doing, there is another website that I'll introduce you to. So, and the name of this website is very to use this website very simple. The name of this website, as you can see shown here, ttsfree.com. ttsfree.com. This is the name of this website. So you just enter. I'll also drop the link on the description of this video or the first comment for easy access. So in this website here, you can be able to get your text. Here you can be able to you can be able to convert your text to audio. You can easily convert your text to audio. So how do we get even the text? There is a third thing we need here, and the third thing, you can easily go to your WhatsApp, your Facebook, and the rest to get your text. For instance, let me go to my Facebook. Now this is my Facebook, and then let's click on Ask Meta AI or search. Now almost every one of us have this meter on Facebook and on WhatsApp. So here, for instance, I will just type funny jokes of the day. Funny jokes of the day. So guys, you click on go, then Meta AI will give you some jokes. Guys, as you can see, it's already giving us. So these are some of the jokes of the day. So you can copy them one after the other. You can copy them one after the other and paste them. Now, for instance, I'll just copy it like this. Just copy it like this, and then I will have to edit it. So I'll copy this third one. I'll copy the second one from here. So you can copy them one after the other in order to make your video to be more longer. So after you copy, you have to come back to ttsfree.com. So guys, after then, you have to go to this inbox box here, and then you have to paste your copied jokes. Whatever thing you might use, a a storyline of a particular thing like that, depending on what you want. Now here we have select language and regions to speech. Here we have Anna, we have Aria, we have Christopher, we have Eric, we have Guy. So for the sake of this video, I will use Guy because it is a Guy character I choose over there. So after then, we have already choose it. So after then, we have to click on convert now. We click on convert now. So we wait for it to load for just few seconds. So guys, as you can see, in just few seconds it has been converted, and then you have to download it. You have to download it. So let's scroll up and see how we can possibly download it. So guys, here we have it here. Let's check it. Let's check it out. So guys, as you can see, this is the voice. You can easily download it. So don't forget, you must have to download it. You must have to download it. So this is the voice we just converted. So after you have done that, you go back to your adobe.com, express.adobe.com. Don't forget the name of the website. So here, after you have gotten all the audio, you click on browse so that you can upload the audio, so that you can easily upload the audio. So guys, it will load. You just have to wait for just few seconds. So guys, as you can see, it's uploading. The audio is uploading. We are almost done with this animation, or we are almost done with this video. So you have to wait until the audio is uploaded. Guys, it is done. Now let's try to play and see if it has given us what we want. So you click on
what do you call a group of cows playing instruments? A moose-cycle band.
Alright guys, as you can see, we have already gotten it, and then we can easily download it to our gallery. So here I will show how to download it. So here we have a download icon. So you click on download, and then guys, as you can see, our file is already downloading. Then you can get it on your gallery. So please, if you found this video to be helpful, don't forget to like this video and share. Don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to follow. Thanks for watching. See you on our next video. Bye bye.